So good morning. So today it is just a continuation of the teacher's roles. Okay. So let's now proceed to the use of practical strategies. So what are these strategies? What is the use of these strategies? So how will they going to illustrate these kind of strategies in order for their student to learn? Okay. Number one is encouragement and positive reinforcement. From the word encouragement, you are encouraging your student. You are giving positive values that you have so that they may able to learn, they may able to focus on their study. Just like for example, your student is always reciting. You're always giving, as a teacher, you are always giving a motivation to him, an inspiration message in order for them to inspired with him. Okay? So, as a teacher, your role is to give an encouragement, a reward, a positive reinforcement, a positive thinking in order for them to study well. Yet, as a teacher, you have to be grateful. You have to be happy because they are doing great. Okay, so as a teacher again, you have the what they called attitude, a good attitude in order to inspire your students and give them motivation all day. Okay? The second one is giving suitable feedback and rewards. As we have noticed, there are negative feedback and positive feedback. First, we have go to negative feedback. Yes, there's sometimes we are angry, but definitely don't degrade your student of your feedback because they will lose hope to study. You have to give a positive feedback always. Even it's wrong, you have to understand their mindset. You have to understand what behavior they have. And with that, you have to give them a punishment in order to reflect what they've done. Okay? And reward, because as a teacher, your role is to give always a reward to your student. Just like in a quizzes, you have to give bonus points so that they will be happy, so that they may be able to continue what are they doing. Okay? So, being a teacher, you have always remember to your mind that you have to be an understandable person. Even it's wrong or even it's hard. Okay? And lastly, constructing clear and consistent rules. In fact, as a teacher, you have the role to put some rules in a classroom. And it should be consistent. Okay? So, no excuses. All of your students should experience the punishment, should experience these kinds of rule. You have to be consistent, no consideration. Okay? So, as a teacher, you are constructing a clear instruction in order for them to get what idea you have, to get the rule that they should follow. So, being a teacher, you have to manage always. You have to put sometimes a punishment to your student in order for them to learn from what they've done. And as a teacher, in order to determine those people who are misbehaving in your class. So, these rules are very important. So, for now, I am a student. As now, I am learning, I am doing what is best for me. Okay? So, I am now studying well, I am doing well by the encouragement of a teacher, by the rules of a teacher in order for me to be a good student. Because being a student is very hard and being a teacher is very hard also. So you as a student, you have to be a good student. You have to be kind, responsible of the things that we are doing all day. We have to listen. We have to put our time to our teacher in order for us to learn. So if I were to become a teacher someday, I will let my student learn from me. I will not let a student to misbehave with my subject. Or else, I will let them to know my story in order for them to inspire with me. And giving always motivation to them is such an honor for me as their teacher. Because as their teacher, I am their second mother as always. Yet, we are in the blended learning. So, as a teacher, I will give them always a reward, a motivation, a rule that they may able to follow. Because no matter what happen, you are the holder of their future. Okay? Thank you.